Trigonometry, an extremely interesting and important topic of mathematics. It can help us measure the height of a mountain. It is widely used in maps, navigation as well as in flying. Hello, I am Rishi, a software engineer by qualification and a mathematics teacher by choice. I am going to conduct a series of live online classes on trigonometry for classes 11th and 12th math students, IITJEE-NDA aspirants. The series of live classes would include basics of trigonometric functions, understanding of formulae, graph and trigonometric equations, discussion of R.D. Sharma questions, previous 5-year IITJEE-NDA questions would be discussed, live doubts and question solving sessions would be done. Students would get exclusive access to all the recorded tutorials on trigonometric functions. PDF assignments and class notes would be given to the students. So, if you want to grow your knowledge and become a champion in mathematics, then I invite you to register and attend these power-packed exclusive classes starting from 2nd of June. Click on the link and register now. I'll see you on the other side.